मुळावे शिक्षणाचे माध्यम थारावपाक नेमिल्ले समितीक 500 वयर सुचोवण्यो आयल्यात। खासा कोपांतल्यान मेळिल्ले म्हायती प्रमाण हातूंतले 80% परस चड लोकांनी माध्यम मायभासच आसचें अशें सुचयलां। पयले दिसा समितींतले 4 वांगडी उलयले। 4 जाणांनी मायभाशेचें समर्थन केलें। समितीची बसका मंगळारा आनी बुधवाराय चलतली।
माध्यम भास मुद्द्यावेले सल्लागार समितीची परवरे शिक्षण संचालनालयात बसका जाली। ही बसका आनीक 2 दीस चलतली। ही बसका सप्तकभर चलपाची शक्यताय आसा। हे समितीचो चेअरमॅन मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर बसकेच्या अध्यक्षपदार आसा।
I am discussing with experts, so let the discussion get over. Then we will tell you.
So how much time have you done suggestion?
ती आम्ही बिरेस्तार शुक्रवार घेतली दिल्या ती सगळ्या. There is no time limit.
Okay, fine.
But generally, obviously, we will try to finish it as fast as possible.
सूत्रांनी दिल्ले माहिती प्रमाण समिती 3 गटांनी विभागल्या। दर एक गटात 4 वांगडी आसात। बसकेच्या पहिल्या दिसा दोतर सुरेश आमोणकर, माधव कामत, दोतर लुईस वर्नाल आणि फादर मोजिन आतायत हांणी आपली मतां मांडली। 4 वांगड्यांनी मायभासच माध्यम भास आसची असो सल्लो दिला। कमिटीन माध्यम भाशेविशीं संबंधितांच्यो प्रतिक्रिया जाणून घेतल्यो। सुत्रां म्हणटात ते प्रमाण कमिटीक सुमार 2000 प्रतिक्रिया मेळ्ळ्यात। सगळ्या प्रतिक्रियांचो सारांश कमिटीच्या दर एक वांगड्याक दिला। माध्यम भाशे खातीर 80% प्रतिक्रिया प्रादेशीक भाशेवटेन आसात। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट।
कांदोळे साळपे वाठारांतले बांयचें उदक घाण करपी पिळण उद्देगीक वसणुकेंतल्या उद्देगाचेर म्हयने भितर कारवाय करतले म्हूण पर्यावरण मंत्री अलिनान थंयच्या लोकांक सांगलां। लोकांक गरज पडल्यार हे उद्देग बंद करतले अशें तिणें आमदार मायकल लोबोगी उलोवन दाखयलां।
Berger Becker Coating Private Limited should be stopped is what I demand. To give relief to my people of Kandolim, Saipe, that is Orda and Saipe. And all the waste, I don't know where they are throwing. They are saying they are sending it to Mumbai. But I don't know whether they also have not very liquid but thick waste, whatever wastage of the paint or whatever. They are sending it to Mumbai, but all the wells have been polluted. There are about 20 wells over there down. All are gone. So at least now we will stop. You know what is happening? They are taking us for granted.
Final decision now. I will wait for the report. Okay, and I will see that necessary action is taken place. Either the pollution control measures are put in place, and until that is done, maybe we'll have to take some drastic measures. We'll look into
How long it will take?
well, that I won't be able to tell you, but definitely within a month at least.
सवे वेतन श्रेणी खाला पाविल्लो जादा पगार परत दिवंक शिक्षक तयार नात। पगार परत वसूल केल्यार वेगळो उपाय काडपाची शिटकावणी हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल संघटनेन दिल्या। सवे वेतन आयोगा प्रमाण पार्ट बीचो पगार दितना खात्याचे चुकीन शिक्षकांक चड पगार पावलो। सरकारान तो वसूल करपाचें थारायलां। वसुली पयलीं पगारांतल्यान करपाची थारिल्लें, आतां प्रॉव्हिडंट फंडांतल्यान कापतले। ताकाय शिक्षक तयार नात।
Part B was sanctioned to all of us, but the calculations, as I learned, were not done correctly, and so they are trying to the government is trying to recover that amount. First they tried to recover it from the salaries, but then when there was a lot of hue and cry about it. If not, we'll give the deadline also to the government to see that they do not recover it further. If not, if they do not abide by that, then we'll take the different course.
घेऊ एक व्यावसायिक विसर।